in today's video, I will be doing a skincare and a body care routine. I'll be showing you all what I am doing for this festive season because festive vibes is all around and it's already November and now we know that in a few days Diwali will be here. So we all need to look very glammed up and we need to take care of our fashion and our skincare, which is a priority because makeup is second but the skincare is the first priority and it is very therapeutic. Okay, so I have already set up everything. Like I have a candle from Miniso right here and it smells amazing. It has a beautiful fragrance. I have a music on and I'll be doing everything that I need to do for taking care of myself, for my skin and for my body. So please keep watching if you are interested and please take a moment and subscribe to my channel. So let's get into the video. So first I'm using this Bubble Farms green tea and honey face wash. Oh my god, this is such a beautiful face wash. I must tell you, it is very gentle and it cleanses very deeply. Oh, by the way, please keep watching this video till end because then I'm going to tell you that what I did to my body because I did some body scrub and shaving and all that. I won't be showing the whole process, but definitely I'll be telling you about the products that I used. So keep watching. Oh my god, I must tell you, this is a perfect face wash for begin. Next, I'm going to use Everyuth Naturals chocolate and cherry scrub. I wish I could let you smell this because this is such a beautiful, like a bomb.com product. I'll just take a little bit of it and gonna massage it and scrub and do a proper exfoliation. It is the very important step to exfoliate. Do not exfoliate very regularly, but you should actually. And for festive vibe, it is perfect to exfoliate. So please go ahead because then it's gonna take out all the gunk and everything from out of your skin and it will be good. Your skin will like have a clean, nice, breathable environment like that. So yeah, massage it properly, scrub out every gunk or dullness and dirt that is inside it, and then I'm just gonna wash it off after like 5 minutes. Feels so good and it is like smoothens my skin so perfectly. For festive vibe, all this process is like really important. You need to take care of your skin. You really need to take care and pamper yourself. Next, in the same range, I'm going to use Everyuth's same it is actually trend removal face pack, but I am using it because I was out for few days and then I just felt the need of using this also like smells so bomb and it has a nice texture, like really very smooth texture, and I'll just apply it gently all over my face and I'm going to keep it like for 10 to 15 minutes. Make sure the application is very smooth. Okay, you need to cover every part of your face. Oh, loving it. I'm loving the smell. This gives me perfect vibe, you guys. Wow, it is beautiful. And I love masking, that is my favorite part. So once I am done, I'm just going to keep it like for 10 to 15 minutes maybe because I just need a little bit of dry pattern on this mask. You can see how I pampered myself for the festive vibe, like for the festive season. And yes, very important step to hydrate, like keep drinking lots of water because that is going to show up. So yes, 10 minutes are done and then I am just going to wipe it off like just with normal water. I'm just going to pat some water and then I'm done. I'm good to go. You will see the difference instantly. See, oh my god, superb and amazing feeling. Phew. So next time you're going to use this calendula sheet mask from Face Shop. Now Face Shop has come up with some of their like combos. There are like 4 to 5 packages, like different pouches, and they have named them in certain way. And you just need to pay for like 5 masks, and there will be like 7 masks inside that pouch. And again, face masks are something like sheet masks are something which gives you that instant glow and immense amount of hydration. I keep on saying this. Like definitely for festive season, at least make a commitment this time that you will be using sheet mask like 20 to 25 minutes before you're applying your makeup, because then it's gonna give you that juicy skin, glowy skin, and the application of your foundation will be like amazing. And definitely it penetrates deep inside your skin, deep inside layers. It has like almost the hydration of like one bottle of serum. Definitely. So apply the sheet mask like properly, and all the serum and moisture that is there inside the mask and in your hand, like take it till your neck and massage it like properly. You know, it's a therapy. Skincare, fashion, makeup, everything is very therapeutic, and just enjoy it. Okay, massage it with your fingers, okay, like your shoulders, necks, everything. Do anything which makes you feel pampered, lovable, like for yourself. Okay, self love. So after 20 minutes, just take it off and you can see, wow, look at that skin, that hydration level. Just gently massage like with your fingers to your face, and also never leave your under eyes with the like slightest pressure, like amount of pressure. Just, you know, roll your fingers under your eyes. That is like soothing, very soothing. It releases all the stress that you have been carrying. So it is really good to massage. Next, I am going to use my lip scrub. It is my favorite chocolate lip scrub from Royalty Essential, and it is really very important to scrub. Never leave your under eye, your neck, and lips. Definitely, all have seen this so much, and just take ample amount, like literally lather it all over your lips and just scrub it with your fingers like for 2 to 3 minutes. You know, it will help like for the circulation. It is really good, and like for all that chappy lips, it's gonna like remove all the dead skin, dead cells that are there, and leaving your lips very kissable and soft. And who doesn't like having those kissable pump lips? It will give you that instant thing. Okay, next I'm using this Pond's Light Gel Moisturizer. Wow, like seriously, this moisturizer is worth it, because firstly, it is very affordable and it is like non-sticky. It's not going to leave you with that, very moisturized or oily, heavy skin. No, it will provide you good amount of moisturization that is required for your skin, and it's non-sticky. So yeah, I'm loving it. And yes, after 10 minutes, like you have to just take off your lip scrub that you have applied. Okay, just wipe it off with anything. Okay, and massage your face. That is the key. If you will massage it like properly using serum, oil, moisturizer, your skin will be beautiful, girl. By the way, all the products here are linked in the description box, so do check them out, because like they are very affordable, so you guys must check them out. Now I'm just wiping off this scrub. Guys, seriously, I enjoyed the skincare routine, like pampering myself, blowing this candle, like, you know, full aromatic therapeutic session. I love it. And my kissable lips, whoa. So yes, now I'm going to tell you about my body, whatever I used. Now I used body polishing M caffeine oil. I used this after I did scrubbing. I used this M caffeine scrub, Wanderlust French lavender body wash from Nykaa, and lastly my Venus razor in aloe vera gel. I absolutely love pampering my body also, which is important. So yeah, I am ending this video right here, and I hope this video was really useful and it was nice. I promise that with time I will grow, I will be better with each video. So please stay tuned with me and keep showing your love, keep showing your support, and do share and subscribe. Also comment below what next you want to see, because festive season is on and I really want you all to get involved into me in my videos. So yeah, bye.